If you have the Samsung Z Fold 6, check out this from Supcase. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro, and it has a really unique feature to it. First, let's get the phone in there. So we're going to take this thing off. You have two different parts. You have the part that's going to protect the front-facing screen. So we're going to just go ahead and slide that on. It is tempered glass, so it's going to give extra protection to your screen, but also not messing with it, so you could still do all the same touches that you would. And so now we have the back of this, which is gonna fit like this. You're gonna open it up and you're gonna just open this hinge and you just pop it in place just like that. It's that quick, that easy, and you're done. You have protection on the front screen, and then you can open this thing up and use this to its full potential. It has this hinge right here where you can also store your S Pen or your stylus. You throw that in there. Also on the back, it has this really cool design. You can feel it like that, but it has this pop-out kickstand, so you can set this thing down if you want to watch some videos, or even if you open this thing up all the way, you can still use it like that. So that's awesome. Not to mention that this also works with MagSafe accessories. So if you have anything with MagSafe, like chargers or tripods or anything like that, you can use it. And it works really good. So that's a really cool thing about this case. It's got all of the appropriate cutouts for the mics and the ports, as well as parts for lanyards if you want to use it with lanyards. And yeah, it just works great. It's sleek looking, rugged, and everything that you need to protect your Z Fold. I really like this part a lot. I think that's a great addition to it. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.